Yeah.
Well, there I was.
That land like in front of there.
Afternoon, just me and my airplane
come
in a
on,
little
out
airport we'd never been to before. We were on short final and nothing was looking right.
Going straight to see the wind. You'll be taking off and doing that.
I couldn't seem to remember how that saying went anyway, but I was staring straight down at the runway, and all I could think was I was setting myself up to a graciously dismantle this perfectly little airplane, and then off in the distance I heard a voice, and I think it was that of my flight instructor saying, "You can always go."
Not that good. I'm pleased I had that on camera. Landed. Nice one. All right. How many chuggers for you?
Yeah.
That's a throat.
Give it a good chug.
One more time again. But I know now he was showing me.
We're going back a bit so you can go straight in the sand dune. Feels alright. That wind's gusting a little bit off and on, isn't it? Well, I say with that hawk. Where's the hawk? No, it's over there. You ready? Doesn't feel like it's got much power. Feels like it's got near thrust there. I had the prop off, mate. Didn't feel like it had any power there. I had near thrust. Near thrust at all. Oh, aye. A brilliant line of sight. A hawk's mint in it. You can get on his tail, mate. Right, not right, we had near thrust whatsoever. You're landing to your left hand side, are you? Alright. Back in the beach towards wood.
Don't wait until you're sideways, baby, sliding upside down. You can always. You can always go around. If it don't look right coming down, don't wait until you're sideways, baby, sliding on the ground. You can always go around. If it don't look right coming down, don't wait until you're sideways, baby, sliding on the ground. You can always go around. I know back when I learned to fly, my instructor was yelling in my ear.
Here, see you on there. Well, that's exactly what happened to David, isn't it? The heat, when it was burning.
He was showing me that just because the nose is pointing down.
Yes, you reckon? Yep.
Yep.
But it keeps them inside life.
Ah, will be, because it's short, not a big 6S battery. The car's not impressed with you. How to see on that one, Andrew? Let's crack me. Cha-ching.
You see you're high and fast, but your mind is set on somehow getting down. The runway leads to grass and leaves and trees.
What is Stephen's batteries in?
Alright. Does it feel a full throttle? Still doesn't feel like it's got out. Didn't press your throttle? Rev that again, just a little bit. Off. The motor's going, your prop's on the wrong way. That's why I said to you how you had the prop off.
I didn't think I had, did it?
Doesn't look like you've ever had that off, does it?
I didn't think I've ever had this off. That was me going backwards. I think so.
Yeah.
Don't you there? I mean, it'll walk. Just
let some grunt new. Give it a wave. It's the right way now, like. That's the power now. Why? You're a bad lad, Mick. I've got this all documented as well. I've been recording. Aye.
You can always go around.
Hardly any wind now.
Right, come down. Don't wait until your silence baby sliding on the ground. You
Much better.
can always go around. I know back when I learned to fly my
Everybody thinks if you're throwing a prop run, the plane will go in reverse. Doesn't work like that. I props on the right way now.
Oh, that makes a big difference, I find, like.
One more time again.
I bet you would.
He was showing me that just because the nose is pointing down, if it doesn't look right, if it
I've been in twice.
Yours was a good or yours went right.
I may were proper ones, both of them. These are just,
You got a foot.
these just need bloody wellies on. But I did big style.
coming down. Don't wait until your silence baby sliding upside down. You can always go around.
With a passport.
Ah, yeah. One of them's all at Norway somewhere.
Denmark, sure. Denmark, Derry, up.
With Denmark, aye. The old big wall, that's fast. So I'm going to make a video about the Zohd dart putting the proper on backwards. Will it fly? Aye. As soon as he threw it again, that's all he got. Any thrust start. First thing I say. See you later. Can't drown your sorrows. Want some better flying the next time you're at the beach. That's one black mark against Steve. Come on, name more of that. Name more in pittance. We'll get yourself away.